Sean, this year more than ever, I think most of us are aware how important our health coverage, our health regimen is. And if you're a senior in particular, you may want to know about the next group joining us. They are brand new to the Valley. It is Partners in Primary Care. Just opened their first location, and there's many more to come.
Absolutely. And they're not brand new to health, though. Don't worry about it. Here joining us now is Dr. Laura Addis. She is a board-certified physician with Partners in Primary Care. How are you, Dr. Laura?
I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
Doing very well. It's great to have you here today. Let's talk about this. A brand new practice.
Thank you for having me.
A brand new practice with not brand new doctors. Let's talk about Partners in Primary Care and what it is that you do.
Well, Partners in Primary Care is a senior-focused medicine practice. We're actually opening up 6 new clinics here in Las Vegas before the end of this year, with 2 more in the early spring, actually probably even before spring. Right now we have a clinic that's opening today in Spring Valley, and that's where I work. And we also have one that'll be opening next week on Fremont, and then we have North Rainbow, South Rainbow, South Nellis, and we'll also be having Southeastern. So those are our 6 locations around the Valley. And our unique approach to primary care for seniors is that we spend a lot more time with our seniors, and we get to look at them as a whole person. And our care team is centered around a doctor that has a behavioral health specialist, a case manager, a pharmacist, a clinical pharmacist.
Wow.
And we have administrative staff and medical assistants. So we have a team approach to seeing our patients, which is very unique and not done anywhere else.
And not having to do a little piecemeal. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, especially if you have a great team that you're working with. And doctor, I understand that you're actually linking up with some doctors you've worked with previously. So you're really excited to be starting out and at this new opening with some of your colleagues.
It's actually very exciting. Our lead physician is Dr. Wakefield, and I've known her previously. And my coworker in my office, Dr. Steve Sang, I worked with him over in another office too. So it's a great time to work together again, and we all work well together. So it's going to be a really exciting experience for our patients. And it's a really nice, brand new clinic. I can't show you the whole exam room, but we have a special table for our seniors so they don't have to climb up onto tables.
That's helpful.
We have an activity center here, which will be getting up to speed soon, hopefully when this COVID is done. But even though right now we are engaging our seniors with various activities such as bingo, and we are doing it virtually.
Awesome. I want to call bingo. Can I call a bingo? I've always wanted to call it.
Yes, absolutely. We'd love to have you there.
Yeah. That'd be amazing. And what are you doing in particular for Partners, Doctor? What's your specialty?
Well, I'm board certified in internal medicine, and I'm basically doing primary care. So it's senior focused and people over 65. And as you know, people over 65 have special needs. They're just not like other patients. They have more complex issues. Yeah. There's social isolation sometimes. And we're prepared to address all of these. Every single member on our team has been trained to work with seniors.
Yeah, and I certainly feel for those seniors right now. I mean, this is definitely a year of social isolation for everybody, doctor. So my goodness.
Absolutely.
I think it's great too. I'm honestly a little bit jealous that there's so many, senior care clinics opening up right now. There's no one just, specifically giving healthcare for my age demographic.
We need some middle-aged care too.
Yeah, come on. Where's the middle age?
We're going to need a fake ID to say we're 66. We're going to get in there though, because we know the doctors that are there, and it's like an all-star team. So we're really happy.
It really is. We have a great group.
You certainly do, and you're part of that group. And we appreciate you joining us today.
Oh, thanks for having me. I appreciate being here. Thanks again.
Get locations popping up all over the place. They're brand new, but they're not. There's a bunch of great doctors that are involved there. They even have a location on North Rainbow and South Rainbow, both sides of the rainbow. There's got to be a pot of gold somewhere. SeniorFocusLasVegas.com.
The pot of gold will be in the clinic.
That's the very truth. You could also call 702-718-4351. Whole bunch of locations opening up throughout the valley. Partners in Primary Care is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.